Good morning, everybody. This is your traveling chef. It's Sunday morning, about 10 a.m. in New Jersey here, and we are about to go inside a beautiful restaurant. It's called the Seafood Dumpling and Dim Sum. So we're gonna go inside, try different varieties of food. I can't wait to try it. I'm so hungry, and at 10 a.m. the place is already full of people. Can you believe that? So we're gonna go inside, check it out, and we'll go from there. I can't wait to try it. Let's go inside, guys. Okay guys, so we are inside that beautiful Chinese restaurant on a Sunday morning. Believe it or not, it's too early in the morning. It's almost 10 and it's like full of people everywhere. You can see people, tons of people are starting to come, and they started coming here at 8 a.m. believe it or not, and they are everywhere eating their breakfast. This is called dim sum, and dim sum is a big thing in the Chinese culture. So today I took you inside and we order a few things. So there is a cart that's gonna pass and it's gonna have a lot of different varieties of dumpling and things, and we're gonna pick whatever you want. So you don't talk too much. All you have to do is, I want this, they give you this, this and that, and then you go from there and they check your check, and then in the end you pay for whatever you choose. So you don't have to do too much talking. Today we're only gonna do the eating part. So they start you off with this beautiful rice cake. I believe this comes with everybody. So this one is the rice cake, and it has beautiful soy light sauce over there. They give you a fork in case you're an American person, you don't know how to use this. Some people, of course, American use that very well, like I do. So I start off with this rice cake. They give you a little bit of a chili dipping sauce also to go with it. So let's try. I'm so hungry, guys. I can't eat. I can't talk when I'm very hungry, but I'm gonna try to do my best. I'm so excited about it. Oh my God, it's so good. Actually, so delicious, so beautiful, so rich. It actually has some shrimp filling. So they tricked me, guys. So I got this beautiful baby shrimp sitting in there. They were hiding from me, but I'm gonna get you, baby. Very, very delicious. Also for you who like heat like myself, I'm giving you some beautiful smoky chili sauce. So I'm gonna put some of that. I'm just gonna brush my beautiful pancake shrimp filled with that beautiful chili sauce, and I'm gonna just see how it tastes like, and I'm gonna let you know. So let's try that. Oh my God, my mouth is full of flavor. Strictly beautiful food, honestly, it's so good. I'm gonna wash this down with some of the jasmine tea. Comes for everybody. And always in Chinese culture, they give you some jasmine tea to wash what you're eating. Oh my God, so good that tea, so refreshing, so soothing. Now I'm gonna move on to another plate here. So now, guys, we're gonna be going for the next one, which I have something like a cake, I believe. I'm not exactly sure what is that, to be honest, but it looks like a beautiful kind of cake. And you can see that little thingy. It's a Chinese steamer. So that goes in the top of the steam, and it actually has holes inside, so it steams the food, and that's how it cooks it. So this is kind of a cake. I'm not gonna add any chili sauce to this, I believe. So I'm looking around, see what everybody else does, and they don't look like they're doing anything with that but eating it. So delicious, actually, so plain, so fragrant, and it's just nice and easy to eat. So I believe they start you off with the easy, and you start to develop some more intensity and some more flavorful items. This is very good. I think I can fit this in one bite. I think I will. Oh my God, so good. Beautiful flavor, so fragrant. It has some spices, I'm not sure what it is, but it's so delicious. And it's so good to start your day with. I'm gonna wash it again. You already know the trick. I'm gonna wash it again with some of that beautiful jasmine tea. Let that rest of that beautiful bun goes inside me, and it makes me more happy. I already have more energy, and 10 in the morning and I feel alive already. So I wonder why everybody comes here for energy. So this happens every day. And Sundays, on Sundays usually, from 10 a.m. till 3 p.m. Some restaurants have it 2-3 times a week also. So if you want to check this out, it's not too far. It's about half hour away from New York City, and you'll see the description of the name of the restaurant in the link below. guys, I have the third one, which is some kind of leaves. I believe it's a banana leaves. Yes, it's a sticky rice actually. Sticky rice and banana leaf. I love sticky rice. I've had that a few times in Filipinos restaurants and it's so good. It's so delicious. The way you eat that actually, you don't need chopsticks. You just get your hands in there. You guys gotta get dirty. Mush it up like that and just grab a bit of it. And you can see some filling in there. I believe that's a pork or some kind of sausage. If you really come close, the camera can get that. You'll see some beautiful pieces of the Chinese sausage. So you can eat that. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna eat it without that sausage first of all. So you get it mushed up with your hand. It's not bad. It's not my favorite so far out of the three. But actually started to grow on you as it goes inside me here. As it goes in my mouth and in my belly, I think I feel it. So it's actually good. So let's try some with the sausage. I'm also gonna get some of these babies here. Some of this chili sauce here. I'm just gonna brush it and touch it up with it. And let me go, guys. So let's see what is that gonna do to me. Much better. Now I feel the flavor of the sausage. So I was wrong actually. You're gonna eat this sticky rice. You wanna eat that sticky rice with that bit of a sausage. So I'm gonna have a little bit more bite here of that guy. And again, I'm gonna add some of that chili sauce. And the chili sauce is beautiful actually. It's very smoky, very nice. Beautiful. Very nice actually. I wash it again with some of that jasmine tea and it's so good actually. It just washes everything away. Beautiful flavor of the jasmine tea. Alright guys, so we're back again. We had a little break. We talked to the actual lady who's bringing this cart over and now we brought one more shot of this attack. So let's go. We have here something like a very thin pastry. It's deep fried. I'm gonna actually cut one, put it on my plate here so you can see it better. Take this dolly out of here and we're just gonna break it and we'll see what's in there. I believe here there is vegetable. There is some pork in there, so we're gonna get some of that, my friend, the chili sauce. You don't have to add anything. Most of the people here are just eating it plain. I was taking a peek. Nobody's adding anything, but I like my chili. And I'm gonna eat with my fingers this time, so I get that beautiful experience. Beautiful. Very nice, very crispy, very delicate, the outing of it. Very thin pastry, if the camera can get this closer. But don't take my food, I'm not gonna give you anything. And now we go again. Very beautiful, very delicate. It's so good. And as I'm talking to you, there's another cart passing by. And carts everywhere. It's like a madhouse here. It's like bees. People are bees. The workers, the editors. It's just a place of oozing of people here everywhere. Booming. That place is booming. God bless them. They have great business. They have beautiful delicacies. They have awesome food. And now my stomach's telling me like, you know, like you cannot eat anymore. But my brain is going crazy here with this beautiful array of flavors. This fantastic choices everywhere. I'm like a kid in Christmas here. I'm so happy I came here. I can't describe to you how happy I am, guys. And now we're gonna go for this beautiful baby. And we see here actually some colors. I'm not sure what's going on in here. I'll be honest with you, I don't even know what's the name of that. It looks like a fish ball to me. So I'm gonna put this baby here. And don't ask me what are they called because I have no idea what they are called. I'm gonna grab my fork and I'm gonna just dig in there so we can see the anatomy of that baby. We have here shrimp, I think. Yes, there is a shrimp here. I see the tail of the shrimp hanging in there. And of course, you want to eat that with the chili sauce. So I'm going to get my chopsticks in here. And we're going to dunk it in. I'm just going to go and dunk this beautiful shrimp roll and that beautiful soy and chili sauce. Honestly, amazing flavor. The shrimp just melts in your mouth. Literally melts in your mouth. So beautiful. That flavor is so delicate, so earthy, so beautiful. And I'm gonna clean my palate again with some more of that beautiful jasmine tea. Comes with it for everybody. And it's so wonderful. And every time you take some of these cards behind me here, they give you a little stamp. So that's your visa. That's how you're gonna know what you actually took. And I don't understand anything. If the camera come close, you don't see what is that. You don't even know. It's just the signals between themselves. So they know what they charge you and what you had, I guess. No writing, nothing. I like that. Very accurate. They're like robots. They are beautiful people, but they work like robots. I don't mean anything wrong by that. I mean very efficient and very great. So now we'll put this here for a second, and please camera, don't touch this food. I'll kill you if you touch my food. I'm watching on it. Now we go to this thing. I believe that is like a fish bowl. Yes, it is. It's like a fish bowl, and they use this a lot actually in Chinese culture. And I'm gonna just get in there. Should I cut it to 2 pieces? What do you think, guys? Nah, let's go for 1 biter. That's a 1 biter. I think I can handle that. My mouth is gonna just inhale that. Different texture. Slightly fishy, but in a good way. It is fishy, but it's in a good way. It's actually edible. It's good. It's likable. I'm liking that. I'm gonna eat the rest of it. Dunk it again in that chili sauce, and I'm not getting much of that chili sauce today. I'm gonna have to ask my waitress if I have one to give me some. Very delicate, very beautiful flavor. I wish I'm still hungry. Here you have some chicken feet sitting there in that beautiful chili. I cannot touch it. It's so hot, extremely hot. You have chicken feet here. You have pork buns. You have beautiful steamed dumpling, whatever you call that. That's what I think what I had. You had some different noodle. You have some tripe. I see the tripe here. If the camera comes here, this is tripe. For you guys who are very actually food lover who eats anything, that's beautiful. You got some pork, baby ribs here, and the camera is moving around to the other dumpling. And also we got some other kind of brown dumpling. I think that's a beef dumpling. Again, that chicken feet is sitting staring at me in the face, and I just cannot eat anymore. But I'm gonna have to push myself to eat a couple more items. And you see the people everywhere, everybody's happy, celebrating their Sunday. That's a great culture. This is a Chinese beautiful culture. So guys, thank you very much, Chase, for coming today. Again, Chase to you. Thank you very much. Please, my link down below. Click on subscribe and like my video, of course. If you do, I appreciate it. Thanks very much, and I'll take you again to another stop, another great food. Cheers to everybody. Happy Sunday. Thank you very much, everybody. Take care.